Alright guys, you are all welcome to Duys Crypto once again. It's been a long time that I haven't been doing video on my YouTube platform, but those who are on my WhatsApp platform are enjoying most of my posts there. So kindly join us through our WhatsApp platform. The link is in the description box. Please, I will add other social media handles in the description box. Kindly follow us through all that social media platforms. So kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let other people also benefit from this project. Alright, so today I'm going to showcase you a new project called CPEN Network. Guys, I'll be leaving the link in the description box. So when you tap on the link in the description box, it will be open a website like this for you. It says digital currency. The digital currency you can mine on your phone, 100% verified accounts, and also start mining cryptocurrency CPEN today with us free. So I would like to go through small before I teach you how it works. It says CPEN, the mission, our mission says CPEN Network is striving to become a cutting-edge Web3 social media platform, a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about the future of blockchain technology and its potential to change the world. So as you can see nowadays, most of the Web2, so you can see that it says social media platform. So you can see that most of the social media platforms are bringing up Web3 to it. So now most of the projects that are coming into the system are bridging Web3 to it. So you can have an evidence of the ICE network. Please, if you are not part of ICE network, I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Then G, if you are not part of G, that one is called IM. I'll be leaving all this and I'll be doing videos on it very soon. Alright, so please kindly participate through this project. TikTok is not paying, but the new upcoming Web3 coins, the Web2 project that are coming are bridging up with the new Web3 project. Alright, it says anyone. CPEN is accessible to anyone in the world and requires only a mobile device. Oh wow. And anywhere, no matter where you are, you can start mining CPEN within seconds. It says anytime, whenever you have time, you can always start CPEN. So now we are going to download their app. Alright, so it says use invitation code Duys. Use invitation code Duys. So now it says use invitation code Duys. So if you are using Apple, you tap on this one. If you are using Android phone, you can also use this one. So Android, when you tap on it, it will redirect you to your Google Play Store. Then you go to install, then you open the app. Alright, so for the new users, you have to go to register. When you go to register, make sure you type in your email. So that, for instance, duyscrypto@gmail.com. Then you enter your password. The password should be at least 6 characters, and you have to get 1 capital letter, 1 small letter, and 1 numeric character. Numeric character means numbers. Then 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 special character. When you say special character, these are the special characters. There's @ hashtag, dollar, and plus, and all those stuff. They are the special characters. Then you re-enter, then you enter the invitation code that they told you, Duys. Then you go to sign up. So I'm going to log in into my old account so that I will teach you the rest. So now you can see that I've mined CPEN of 1072 pieces. So anytime, it's 24 hours. It's 24 hours. Anytime you open the app, kindly go to start, and it will start mining the coin for you. So as you can see, everyone I'll be getting 1.932 CPEN or pen per hour. Alright, so it is the countdown. So after the countdown, you restart the mining. It looks like the ICE network as I stated earlier. So you can join them through their social media handles. This follow us. So this is their social media handle. They are having a followers of 31,500 people. So please kindly join this project and let's all benefit from it. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share for other people to benefit from this project. You can also leave a comment if you don't understand anything and I will address it for you. Please keep this in mind. Airdrops are 100% free. Don't pay any fee or any amount for any airdrop. Lastly, keep in mind that not every project will succeed. Thank you once again for being with Duys Crypto. Please, I will be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the description box. Kindly follow us or join us through our WhatsApp platform. Thank you.